Hello, my name's Alfie Swan. I will be your instructor for Math 165 Elementary Statistics. I'd like to talk a little bit about my background. I attended Rio Hondo Community College. I then transferred to Cal State LA, where I earned my bachelor's and master's in science in mathematics. I then went on to teach at the high school, Cal State, and at several local community colleges. Finally, I was hired at Citrus College in 1999, and I've been teaching there ever since. And it's been a pleasure. I'd like to talk a little bit about statistics. It's the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and then making sense of data. It's a very powerful system of knowledge. It's used to make informed decisions, to support research, and to improve quality and consistency in a production process. Next, I'd like to just review a quote by W. Edwards Deming. Without data, you're just another person with an opinion. This encapsulates the understanding that in statistics, the foundation is always factual information known as data. Now, some areas of focus that we will use to understand the course, I've divided it into 3 themes. The first part of the class involves descriptive statistics. That's where we compute various metrics, such as the mean, standard deviation, that represent sample data. The second part of the class is where we learn about probability theory. Probabilities are just measuring the chance that certain events will occur. And then the third part is the culmination of the other 2 themes. It's called inferential statistics. That's where we use our descriptive statistics and probability distributions to ultimately draw conclusions about various populations under study. Now, some technologies that we will use in the class. Number 1 is Canvas. That's our primary course management system. I will use Canvas to make announcements, inbox, or communicate with you. We will also have several Canvas quizzes, which I've labeled class participation assignments. In terms of our regular quizzes and tests, those will be taken in class. We will also use the Alex platform. It's an online platform. That's where you will do all your homework and some quizzes. However, you do have to purchase an access code. Now, when you do buy the access code, my recommendation is to purchase it directly from their website. You will also have access to an ebook version of our class book. So thus, there's no need to buy a hard copy version if you're already going to have access to an ebook version. And then other technologies include calculators. My recommendation is to just purchase a regular scientific calculator. They're relatively cheap, around $10 to $15. I always prefer the TI-30X2S. I have a picture of it here. Other calculators could include a graphing calculator, but I'm not going to recommend that you buy one. They're quite pricey, but it does have a lot more options and tools available to you if you do have access to a graphing calculator. And we will also learn a little bit about MS Excel. Every student has access to MS Excel for free through their student account. It also has a lot of great features that allows us to rapidly compute certain types of data sets. So finally, I'd just like to wish everyone a productive semester, and don't hesitate to communicate with me. You can communicate via email or Canvas inbox, and I promise I will get back to you ASAP within 24 hours. Thus, have a great semester, and I'll see you on the first day of class.